Namaste. My name is Amir, and in today's video I will explain you how to master a Noli Kriya. What are the different contraindications to practice Noli Kriya, its benefit, and what are the different types of Noli Kriya. So I will cover all the aspects of the Noli Kriya, so watch this video till end so you can master the Noli Kriya by yourself. Let's get started. Contraindications of Noli Kriya. Person who have recent abdominal surgery, hernia, high blood pressure, heart-related disease should not practice Noli Kriya. Women in pregnancy should also not practice Noli Kriya. While practicing Noli Kriya, make sure you feel comfortable. At any point you feel any kind of pain or lot of discomfort, just stop the practice. As you feel comfortable, again try the practice. Time of practicing the Noli Kriya. Noli Kriya should always be practiced empty stomach, especially it should be done in the morning. It's the right time to do. Just empty the bowel and before breakfast you can go for Noli Kriya. Make sure if you have eaten the food after 4 to 6 hours you can do Noli Kriya. Noli Kriya you do only one time in a day. In one time you do 3 to 5 rounds of Noli Kriya. First step for Noli Kriya is abdominal lock, also known as Uddiyana Bandha. How to do Uddiyana Bandha? First take a deep inhalation, exhale completely through your mouth and then suck your belly in, pulling the navel back to the spine. We do together. Keep your feet hip distance apart and your palms on the knee. Slightly lift your shoulders up. Good. Now take a deep inhalation. Exhale through your mouth. Close the mouth and suck the belly in. Slowly release the abdomen and deep inhale. Do 2 to 3 rounds of Uddiyana Bandha, and then next we go for Agnisar Kriya. Agnisar Kriya is to elevate the fire in the abdomen. It loosens the abdominal rectus muscle here. This will help you in Noli Kriya. So, how to do Agnisar Kriya? Take a deep inhalation, longer exhale, and then suck the belly in. First pull the navel towards the spine and then relax. Pull the navel to the spine, relax. Pull the navel to the spine, relax. With this practice you have to do with retention, the movement of abdomen. So first take a deep inhalation, longer exhale. Take a deep inhalation and relax. First type of Noli to master is the central Noli known as Madhya Noli. How to do it? First take a deep inhalation, longer exhale, suck the belly and try to tighten your abdominal rectus muscles on both sides. Tighten it and bring it to the middle, that is Madhya Noli. Let's do it. Take a deep inhalation, longer exhale. Inhale and release. The second type of Noli, that is left side, Vam Noli. So in this time, you have to just press your left palm on the left knee or the left thigh. So the left part of the abdominal rectus should contract. Again, same procedure. Take a deep inhalation, longer exhale, and then press the knee, palm to the knee, and take the abdominal rectus muscle to the left side. Take a deep inhalation, longer exhale. Inhale and release. So the next one is the right side Noli. On the right side Noli, you press the right palm on your right knee so that Your right part of the abdominal rectus muscle should contract. Take a deep inhalation. Relax. Now the fourth type of the nollie, which you mostly see people doing, is Bhramar nollie. The rotation of the abdominal rectus muscles and massaging a whole abdominal organ. So it always starts from left, then middle, left, then it goes to the right, then middle, like this. So when you take the left side, press the left arm on the left knee. When you take it to the right, first press both and then press the right. It will move completely to the right, then to the middle, same. Understand? When you press left palm, it will move to the left side. When you press right palm, it will move to the right side. So take a deep inhalation. Exhale through your mouth. First practicing from left to the right. Now we will go from right to left. This will complete one round. Like this, you have to practice 3 rounds. Take a deep inhalation. Long exhale. Inhale and relax. Nollie Kriya's benefit. Nollie Kriya is a cleansing technique. So by doing Nollie Kriya, it helps relieve the whole abdomen region, massages all the abdominal organs, release the toxins accumulated around the small intestine, large intestine, around the glands, the stomach. It releases them and make them healthy. I hope you understand the Nollie Kriya step by step, and I wish you can master it as fast as possible. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.